Good morning, welcome to Champaign Ford City. Alright, we've got another 23 Ford City Performance Earthquake ready to go. This is carbonized gray. Got it lowered with an IHC ride quality kit, 3 inches in the front, 5 in the rear. Sitting on a set of 22-inch Ford Performance wheels. Those are wrapped in Nitto 420Vs, 285 40s. Got the dual black tip MBRP catback exhaust. That is the race version. Check out our new fender vents with the new badging we got done. Those are custom made. I've had some people ask about previous models we've sold. I don't think those are going to fit in the previous generation due to the way the body shop had to modify those vents on our 21s and 22s. Got a short antenna. Obviously we color match the bumpers, two-tone the grille with a color match and a high gloss black center section. This truck is the first one for 23, actually probably since 2020. We've got the black grille, oval, and tailgate as well, which I'll show you when we get around to that. Got the new 23 headlamps too with the black accents, which are cool. Tinted windows. Got the tinted tail lights and the third brake light. And there's your black tailgate emblem. And then we've got the Ford accessory tailgate spoiler too, which adds a nice little arrow styling to it. Alright, so on the inside, so this is based off an XL 331 electric locking differential. It's got the split bench with the center fold down. Decent sized touchscreen, and you got your shift lever where you can manually up and down shift if you like. There's your locking differential and your drive modes. Got the Ford Performance door sill plates, and we order all our XLs with carpet. I know some dealers are advertised a cheaper truck. It won't have a locking differential. It'll have a rubber floor. Won't have the satellite radio with the Sync 4. And with Ford Pass, you can actually remote start these from your phone, which is kind of cool. Carbonized gray has always been one of my favorite colors. So this has the most content we've put on an Earthquake. Since we've got the badging now on the tailgate and grille. The white one was built before we had access to those, so the white one is available. I'll put a link to our performance inventory in the description of the video here. So that's pretty much it. You know what, I'm going to show you a sneak peek of an upcoming video. We just had a car unloaded this morning. That is a Shelby Super Snake Speedster, one of 98 produced, brand new car, just unloaded this morning. That's got a Whipple supercharger and a whole bunch of other goodies on it. So stay tuned for a video on that. Alright, so that's a wrap, guys. Like I say, stay tuned for that video on that Super Snake. It may not be today. I want to get it all highly detailed and prep for the showroom, then I'll shoot a video of it. So, alright, take care. Appreciate you watching.